Well, it's really unfortunate, very actually, that when you hear about such incidents, and I really feel for the couple, as it's it's not I cannot even relate my own story to them, but you really feel bad, and I really feel that our government or people from our country should be helping such people, and it's actually more of a something to do with the society. I think we need to educate people in a way, and make them realize that, well, love has no boundaries. Uh, I would just say hesitation to an extent, only more relating. I don't think the parents had actually that much of an issue, but it was mostly more to do with the society, more to break to the news and what the society has to talk about the issue. And then, if I have to say for my mom, because my father passed away a long time back, so it was very difficult for her to handle all of them together. When people come and when people talk about, oh, iske bete ne aisa kiya, or something like that, that becomes very, very difficult for them. She never had any such as such a problem. She knows me, she knew Tina from a very, very long time, right from the time that we were in college. So there was no problem as such in the marriage, apart from the society problems that were there. I mean, and honestly, we had a very, very, we didn't have that rough a patch. To be very honest, it was pretty smooth sailing, and I think I have to give it to both sides of the family to take a stand and to go ahead with it, and also the entire family, even apart from my my family, apart the entire family to support us, and nobody ever created an issue. And now there have been many other instances that in my family have happened, and it's all pretty smooth now. I think it differs. Yeah, my friend. Very. If I have to speak for my own, from our side of the family, it wasn't that bad. But yes, I do hear stories about many others, even friends, relatives, and also people. When I'm traveling to Delhi at times, I hear stories here too. And I do think that yes, it is regressive. It is not that people do accept it with open arms. Still, they are hesitant about it. They want to take a step ahead, is what I feel, but they always go back saying that I don't know what people are going to say. How am I going to handle? It's their own inhibitions at times that stop them from taking the step. Everybody knows there's nothing wrong, but you don't want to be a party of that, because all of a sudden the society kind of throws you out from that place if you do the same. Every person feels that yes, it is fine to do what we are doing, there is no harm in doing it, but you just don't want to take the step ahead because they just alienate you completely then. I don't think they have any reason not to help the people. Not that the society has or the family has any reason, but these are the people who you would look up to. That at that's your last resort. Very honestly, once you have your family not supporting you for something like this, for a cause like this, the government has to support you. People out there have to, the police or anybody else, and especially these kind of threats. I mean, it can't be life threatening. That's totally uncalled for, totally unacceptable. And people have to, in the government, the police have to come and help people, lovers and people who want to go ahead with their life partner, who they have chosen. uh, I I don't know what to say. It's just not. You don't even want to hear something like that. I don't know why. Why is there such a problem in helping people? And it's also kind of a duty. We look forward to people in a problem like that, and they are the people who are supposed to solve our problems. Who else will the people go to if not to them? My friend, my heart goes out to them. I don't know in which way that one can really help them, but I applaud their courage to take such a bold step, to move forward, and may God bless both of you guys. And in any which way that people can help you, they should help you. People who know you, I would even go out to the people that you should go ahead and help them. Also, I understand that they are stationed somewhere in Delhi, and people are helping them, and salute them for doing such a noble cause. And God bless you guys there.